all of the transformation that you're hearing about, the infrastructure, will it make any sense if you suffer a cybersecurity breach? No, it won't. So cybersecurity is an enabler for your business outcomes, and we're going to have a conversation around that. So let me invite Kevin to the stage. You can come.
Thank you. Why am I getting the same kind of applause that she got? Rounding applause, thank you.
So cybersecurity, as I said, we're looking at the business outcomes. And when we think about digital transformation, we talk about digital first. So we've heard about, the smart cities, the smart this, the smart that, digital this, digital that. But I think really at the end of the day, what we're focused on is the experience. Because when you think about it, if you go into the tax office,
That's correct.
and the systems are down, even if they're the best systems, they're the most resilient in terms of redundancy. If it's down, then the experience that you have as a customer is really not good. So for you, from a cybersecurity perspective, what is an ideal experience first that organizations, business, irrespective of size, should be thinking about and should be implementing within their environments?
You said it, and I think hit a nail on the head. For us, cybersecurity really underpins digital transformation. And it's really about the experience first for a lot of customers. And I want to get away from this mindset where cybersecurity is this cost center. It's the thing that we put in after we have built the infrastructure, the thing that we put in after somebody has got hacked or another company is exposed, the thing that we put in after. We need to build that as a part of every part of our journey. If we're talking about digital transformation, we're talking about the experience for us, for customers. That needs to be a part of the conversations. So we're putting in not just the infrastructure, we're putting in the controls to ensure that we are not just protecting the systems, we are keeping the experience for every single customer.